For homeowners in Shelby Township, Michigan, maintaining a durable and reliable roof is essential. With its mix of harsh winters, humid summers, and unpredictable weather patterns, Shelby Twp presents unique challenges for roof longevity. Understanding how local weather impacts your roof can help you plan timely maintenance, spot early signs of damage, and know when a full roof replacement becomes necessary. The impact of Michigan winters. Shelby Twp winters can be brutal, with snow, ice, and sub-freezing temperatures becoming a yearly norm. These conditions can be especially tough on older or worn-out roofing materials. Snow accumulation adds significant weight to a roof, which can strain the structure over time, especially if your roof already has weak spots. Ice dams, a common winter issue, form when snow on the roof melts and then refreezes at the edges. This traps water behind the dam, which can seep under shingles and cause leaks, rot, and even mold inside the attic. Repeated freeze-thaw cycles can also cause shingles to crack, curl, or detach entirely. Key takeaway: winter weather shortens roof lifespan, especially if your roof is more than 15 years old or has had previous repairs. Spring and fall. Moisture and mold risk. Spring in Shelby Twp often brings heavy rain and melting snow, which exposes any weak points in your roofing system. Gutters overflowing, missing shingles, or small leaks can quickly become bigger problems when water has multiple opportunities to enter. The fall season is notorious for shedding leaves, which can clog gutters and lead to poor drainage. When gutters back up, water can pool at the roof's edge, increasing the risk of water infiltration. This combination of rain, lingering moisture, and organic buildup creates ideal conditions for mold, mildew, and wood rot, especially in roofing systems without proper ventilation or underlayment protection. Key takeaway: water damage often occurs silently, making seasonal inspections crucial to catching issues before they escalate. Summer heat and UV damage. Michigan summers may not rival desert heat, but high humidity and direct sunlight can be just as damaging over time. UV rays from the sun degrade roofing materials, especially asphalt shingles, causing them to become brittle and fade. Constant exposure to heat can also cause shingles to expand and contract, leading to cracking or buckling. Ventilation plays a huge role during hot months. Without it, heat becomes trapped in the attic, increasing the temperature of the roof deck and accelerating shingle aging. Key takeaway: even in milder summers, heat and humidity take a toll on roofing material and shorten its effective lifespan. Severe storms and wind damage. Shelby Twp experiences its fair share of thunderstorms, high winds, and even the occasional hailstorm. Strong winds can lift shingles, break seals, and allow debris to impact the roof surface. Hail can leave dents or cracks that compromise shingle integrity, even if they're not visible from the ground. After major storms, homeowners should conduct a visual inspection or hire a professional to assess for missing shingles, lifted flashing, or signs of granule loss, tiny particles on asphalt shingles that protect against UV and rain. Key takeaway: storms are one of the top reasons homeowners in Shelby Twp need unexpected roof repairs, or even full replacements. When weather triggers roof replacement, the average asphalt roof in Michigan lasts 15 to 20 years, but Shelby Twp's variable weather can shorten that lifespan. If your roof shows signs of aging, like curling shingles, sagging, moss growth, or consistent leaks, it may be time to consider replacement. Investing in a roof replacement isn't just about fixing current issues, it's about protecting your home from years of future weather damage. A new roof, installed with modern materials and proper insulation, will better withstand Shelby Twp's diverse climate and save you money on repairs and energy costs in the long run. Final thoughts. Weather in Shelby Twp is beautiful, but unforgiving on roofing systems. From ice and snow to heat and hail, each season brings its own challenges. Proactive maintenance, seasonal inspections, and knowing when to replace your roof are the best ways to ensure your home stays safe, dry, and energy efficient. If you suspect weather may be compromising your roof, don't wait. Contact a local roofing professional to schedule an inspection and discuss your options. Your roof is your first line of defense. Make sure it's built to handle everything Shelby Twp weather throws its way.